just getting started planting. I'm gonna have to move my truck there. We'll come back around. Now I gotta move again. Can't be too loud because somebody's still sleeping. They didn't eat any breakfast this morning, and I didn't bring a bottle, so we're doing what we can at this point. Well, we're planting again, or I'm planting now. My dad has been doing all the planting so far, but I gotta turn around there. Gotta kind of ride the brakes. This tractor does not turn tight enough, really. Because we're only pulling an 8-row planter. It's only 20 foot wide, and these tires they're too wide, I guess. Too tall, I don't know. They hit the stops before it can turn tight enough. But we're chugging along. We got 50 acres. We'll be behind the camera there. 51 acres, and then there was 56 acres he did down the road. And now I'm fitting this field that we're planting this field that I planting the field that I fit yesterday. I thought I was going to have to fit it again, but it's planting pretty good. Just a couple weed clumps. The planter's cut right through. So, yeah, it seems to be going good. We're getting a fair amount of planting, and we don't usually have to plant this early, so that's nice. The earlier you get your corn in, better your yields are potentially. And I would like to be planting beans right now, but I can't fit ground. I had the boys all day, so I can't fit ground and watch them at the same time, because it's very difficult to get a toddler and an infant in the tractor at the same time. And then going over district ground, it's pretty bumpy, so infant does not do good in that. Sam, my youngest. So maybe if this rain holds off, they're talking 2 inches of rain potentially for tonight/tomorrow. So if that holds off, we can maybe get some beans in the ground this weekend, and that's what I like doing. That's my favorite job, is planting beans. So hopefully I can get to do that soon. That would be nice. Yeah, there's not a lot to do when you're planting. Got the auto steer running right here. So you just can sit back and watch all the row units. Watch for rocks, big rocks that could break a disc or cause problems. So gotta watch for those big ones. And I gotta turn here. Busy when you're turning, because you gotta pull the hydraulics, turn and hit the brakes, because there's a left brake and a right brake to make the turn sharper. Oh, here's a big rock. Yeah, that's the ones you gotta watch out for. We'll see if she glides by. Yep, row unit missed it, so that's good. Let's see if I can get you back up here. So we're plugging away. Just kind of boring sitting here, just watching monitors and watching the planter and the mirrors up there. But plant corn ain't too bad. I decided I'd rather plant beans. It's less work. It's a lot easier to fill. You don't have to fill as often. This one you gotta refill every 20 acres. You gotta refill the fertilizer. And the seed lasts a long time, but the fertilizer only lasts 20 acres. So you don't get very, it doesn't seem like you get very far before you're having to refill again. But yeah, you can see how this monitor works. All these is every row unit, and it's counting every seed that comes down. If I could remember how to get to the I thought there was a way to make it show you. But yeah, this is the ag leader monitor, and this is the population. This is what it's showing me now. And the singulation in case there's skips and doubles here. Like there's 1% skips, 0.5% of doubles, and the spacing quality is 93%. Singulation is 94%, which really isn't great for us. Usually it's higher than that. I don't know what's going on with 3. You might have to get out and look at that. So yeah, we're gonna definitely have to get out and look at why 3 is so messed up. But so not a lot going on here. It's just kind of boring. Just sitting in here going back and forth. That's it. Well, we're getting close to being done with this field. We don't have too much more to go. Maybe another round. Yeah. We're about out of fertilizer, and there's rain off to the west. Looks like a lot of rain over that way. So, hopefully perfect timing. Get done with this. Yeah. See, yeah, this field was pretty weedy. I thought I got out more weeds than that, but apparently not. So, maybe just bump her up another gear, get done before this rain gets here. It's coming. I don't know how you can use it. Yeah, it's coming. But yeah, even though we have the auto steer, we still like to use the markers, because when you turn, it gives you something to aim at. Because man, it's hard to notice, hard to judge exactly what 20 foot away would be. Because then your end row will go like this, and then the auto steer catches it, and then it'll straighten you back up. But you're at the very end, it'll wiggle a little bit, which makes it harder when we put in hydrous on, and when we're combining, we got that little wiggle on the end. So that's why we still use the markers, even though we don't really need them with this, but we use them anyway. in time. Woo, good. So we got done just in time. I'm gonna fold up the planter now and back it back into the shop there. So let you guys watch. Oh, that rain came down in a hurry. Fork truck was in the way. Can't see nothing out the back window. So we will get this backed in the barn. Hopefully there's enough room to get this in there, because that fork truck is kind of in the way. Convenient spot for that pallet right there. This tractor didn't really turn tight enough. It makes this slightly more difficult. Looks like the fork truck is certainly going to be in the way. Dang it. Alright, I'll have to do something different. There's seed on the fork truck, so I don't really want to leave it in here. I don't want to get the fork truck out. I guess I could drop the pallet off. Alright. Try it again. Alright, round two. Let's try this time. Fork truck's out of the way, and should be able to get this in there. Oh, looks like we lost power right away. What the heck? All lights just shut off. Well, good thing I got lights in the tractor. Jeez, oh Pete. Oh, there they come back on. Watch for oxygen and acetylene tanks. Garbage cans. Oh. Like a glove. All right, and we're done planting for the day. All neutral. Yes, yes, yes. So this will be the second day of planting, but I didn't get any footage from the first day because my dad was running the planter all day and I was fitting ground, so you got to see a little bit. Turn my windshield wipers off. So, yeah, I think it was a pretty successful. Well, I think it was a pretty successful 2 days of planting. I fed about 140 acres yesterday. Dad planted about 50 acres yesterday, and then this morning it's supposed to rain all day, so he started early. And he planted 50 acres this morning, and then I helped him move after I took Ben to school. And so me and Sam, my littlest boy, helped him move this morning. Luckily he slept all through it. That was amazing, because that would not have been good if he would have woke up, because I didn't bring a bottle or nothing. But he slept all the way through it and it went good. And then somehow, when I had the boys, my dad got semi and his pickup and the tractor here. I don't know if maybe my grandma helped, but We got 28 acres planted here this afternoon, and perfect timing to finish the field. I mean, it's really coming down now, and we finished and pulled the tractor and planter in the barn and done for the day. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh, you can hear it coming down now. Hopefully this sweet beauty will be out soon. I can't see nothing. The tractor's most of the way hitched up. A little bit of thunder. Yeah. Perfect timing to finish. Now hopefully we don't get just absolutely drenched on. That's a lot of bags for 2 days of planting.